Welcome back. GPCC President John Fernandez is now speaking about his resignation. John is back from Delhi after attending a meeting called by Antony Committee on poll debacle. Meanwhile, there is a strong possibility of major reshuffling in the Pradesh Congress committees across the nation once the committee submits its report to Sonia Gandhi. Antony Committee is appointed to assess poll debacle of Congress party. John Fernandez spoke to Prudent on Thursday.
GPCC President John Fernandez was supposed to tender his resignation soon after Congress rout in Lok Sabha poll, but Digvijay Singh told him to hang on till Antony Committee tables its report. GPCC President told this to Prudent. Congress committees all over India may be revamped once Antony Committee submits its report to Sonia Gandhi.
जेन्ना आमचे गोंयचे रिजल्ट आयले परिणाम वायट जालो 21 सीट आमकां मेळून आमचो एक आसलो तो गेलो. जेन्ना हांव दिल्ली गेलो म्हजी पयलीच मिटींग जाली दिग्विजय सिंग बाबा कडेन तेन्ना हांवें म्हटलें तांकां हांव म्हजो राजिनामो तुमकां सबमीट करता ऑन मोरल ग्रावंड. ताणें म्हाका म्हटलें तूंच न्हय जायते कडेन चेंज करपाचें आसा जॉन तूं होल्ड ऑन म्हणून लेट काँग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट टेक अ डिसिजन.
Meeting called by Antony Committee was attended by Ravi Naik, Alex Reginald, John Fernandez, Pratapsingh Rane and 3 members of the NSUI. Committee met each members on one-to-one basis.
आमकां एकल्याक भितर आपोवन गेलो. इट वॉज लायक अ इंटरव्यू आनी आमचे कडेन विचारलें कितें जालें कित्याक नॉर्थाक 6,000 माजी नासली फाटीं 1,06,000 कित्याक जाली तें आमी एक्सप्लेनेशन दिवपाक जातलें. तशेंच सावथाचो आमचो सीट गेलो 32,000 मागीर ताणें आमकां विचारलें कितें करपाक जाय आतां फाटीं फुडें आमी पार्टी सारकी लायनीर हाडपाक कितें करपाक जाय.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Indian aviation has failed till now, says the CEO of AirAsia Group, Tony Fernandez. He said Civil Aviation Ministry should reduce aviation tax fuel, allow all airlines to fly internationally and to have a low-cost terminal. Tony Fernandez, on its maiden visit to Goa, said AirAsia can boost the economy of Goa with more international tourists flying to Goa. AirAsia airline recently made its maiden landing in Goa from Bangalore.
3 things. Find a way to talk to the state governments to reduce aviation tax fuel. Allow all airlines to fly internationally. India's got too few tourists for the size of its country. And some airlines, and Tata have one with SIA coming in. These are all international brands that can bring more tourists to India. And the third is either have low-cost terminals which are lower in airport tax, or find a way to reduce the airport tax. It's just too high and doesn't allow the full development of the industry. Just those 3 things I think will radicalize Indian aviation industry. Indian aviation industry has really failed so far. None of the airlines are making a lot of money. Many have gone bust. Many are on the brink of extinction. So it needs to be relooked. The idea is not about controlling airlines and keeping it small and making it a cartel. The idea is to open it up, get the right players in and get the right infrastructure and the right cost structure in, and then this can be a booming industry. India should be one of the leading aviation markets in Asia.
Resume mining immediately in Goa. This time demand comes from the self-help groups from mining belt in Mahe and Bicholi. They marched to the office of Mahe MLA Anand Sheth. The agitated women groups explained the problems they face. Anand Sheth said that Prime Minister Modi had just taken over the reins and doesn't have any magical wand. Sheth has advised them to have a bit more patience.
आमचे सध्या उपाशी मरपाचे पाळी आमी फक्त खाणीचेरच अवलंबून आहा आनी आमचे कांय सायडीक ना. आमचे भुरग्या बाळांचे कशें जातलें आयज आमी तांकां हें केल्लें आयज करतले फाल्यां करतले म्हणून आमी रावलीं म्हणल्यार आजून तेंच्यांनी कांयच अशें हें करिना तें म्हणून आयज आमकां अशें आमच्या स्थानीक आमदारा कडेन येयल्या तेन्ना आमकां तेंच्यांनी सीएमा कडेन वचून तेणी कितें तरी हें निवड लावचो.
ह्या बायलांक आयज आतां इतले फावटी मोर्चा घेवन आयज दादले आमचे फुडें सरून वयताले तेन्ना आयज आमी सगळीं बायलां तेंच्या फुड्यान येयल्ली आसा कित्याक की आयज आमकां संवसार करता करता आयज जड जावपाक लागले कित्याक की आयज तेंच्यांनी इतले आमी लोन काडलेले असले कितें केल्ले असले आयज डायरेक्ट थोड्यांक काडून उडयले थोड्यांक आतां अर्दे पेमेंटान आसा कितें आसा आयज आमच्या कडेन ते जायना आयज भुरग्यांक कशें शिकयतले तेंचे कपडे ते जायना न्हू तेन्ना आमी कितें करचें तेन्ना आमी सरकारा कडेन इतलेच हें मागता की बेगीन जाता तितले तेंच्यांनी आमचे मायंड चालू करून गोंयचे दिवचे
आमच्या भुरग्यां कडेन शिक्षण नाल्यार शिकोवपाक आतां पयसो ना जाल्यार तेणें मायंड चालू करपाक आमकां फुकट खावपाची संवय ना हें ना इतलीं वर्सां तेणें 2 वर्सां पगार पेमेंट दिलो ते बी बरोबर आसा पण ते आतां कितें जातलें सर हे बसून खाता आमकां बसून खावपाचें ना कितें काम दिवनी पेमेंट दिवनी हळूहळू चालू करून
एक 2 महिन्याच्या उपरांत आनी खणपाचें हें आसा ती प्रक्रिया चालू जावपाची आसा हाज्या बद्दल कोणीच थंय संशय रावपाचें न्हू सरकार पूर्णपणे सकारात्मक पावलां घालीत आसा.
The Supreme Court has ruled out that police cannot automatically arrest an accused in dowry cases. Apex Court said it must give reasons for taking such steps, which would be judicially examined. A bench headed by Justice C.K. Prasad has directed all the state governments to instruct its police not to automatically arrest an accused when a case is registered. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.